Good day everyone, this is King Ezekiel. So I want to teach you how to create a messages ads. So with messages ads you can actually sell products online. So people can DM you via WhatsApp or Instagram direct or Facebook. So what you need to do is that you need to have a Chrome browser, because I don't know how to use any other browser. I've tried it with Safari and it didn't work. So make sure you download Chrome or install Chrome. Then click Chrome. So firstly, go to facebook.com. Make sure no space, facebook.com, and make sure you are signed in. Make sure you're signed in to Facebook. So just give it a minute, let it load. Okay, so can you see that I'm signed into Facebook? Okay, so now can you see these three dots at the top right corner? Click it. Then desktop site. Can you see desktop site? Click desktop site. So that's where you'll be able to access ads manager on Facebook. So come here and change it from facebook.com. Delete everything here. Type web.facebook.com. Facebook. Make sure you spell it correctly. .com / ads manager, no space. So can you see it? web.facebook.com / ads manager. Then enter. So just give it a minute. This one will actually take a minute to load. So just give it a minute, let it load. So on this ads manager, why it is called ads manager is because you can create, edit or delete ads on this place. I know some of you have never been here, but it's okay. So that's why it's called ads manager. So there are other ads that you can actually create. There's lead generation ads, there's conversion ads, there's reach ads. So just give this one a minute to load. Okay, should open now. So conversion ads is actually the best for selling. You run conversion ads to your website, which I explained in the advanced course. I explained how to do it. But messages ads can also be used to sell. But conversion ads is actually the best. You make lots of sales using conversion ads. So yours is going to come out this way. Sorry, let me zoom in so you'll be able to see it better. Good, can you see it? This is how it's going to show up. So sorry, just give it a minute, let it load. Good. So can you see the list of ads I've created? So you notice that these ones are off. Good. So you don't have to do all this. So if you want to switch off your ad, can you see this off and on? You just click it. You'll be able to switch it off, but I don't want to switch this one off, it's running. Now to create ad, just click create. So can you see create? Click create. Then you'll be able to see messages add. Messages add. But if this is your first time ads manager, it's going to tell you some stories. Just and click OK. So click create. Then to bring out this thing in the middle of your screen, loading creation. Just give it a minute. Good. Then you can just click sales, but it's better you just click find new objective. If you can't see this, that's okay. Find new objective. So you'll be able to select the specific one that you want, which is messages. So after clicking messages, click continue. Good. So it's saying like, what do you want? That messages ad, but you click sales. That's what you want. You want to make sales. So click continue. Excuse me. So just give it a minute, let it load. So if you've not connected your WhatsApp to your Facebook, you need to do that like ASAP before you even start doing all these ones. You need to do that because I think Facebook has already removed where you can actually do that on messages ads. Before you could do it on messages. So, so what you need to do is you need to name your campaign. So if it is bag selling, I can just say let's say for example Dior bag, Dior bag campaign. You see. Okay, so can you see next? Click next. So you have to scroll to the bottom. You see it at the bottom right corner. Next. So you give it a minute, let it load. Why it is actually slow like this is because it's meant for laptop. That's the main reason why Facebook doesn't want phone users to use it, because the user experience will actually be poor. So I will also show you how to do this the easier way on your Facebook Ads Manager app. But this one has more options, so that's what I'm showing you. So if you want to do it on the Ads Manager app, it's actually simpler and easier. So you can just the video is there, it should be on top of this one. So yeah, the good thing is that you can set your budget, you can set the date that you want the ad to start running, and you can set everything. But firstly, what we want to do is that we want to select WhatsApp. So can you see? It says drive sales and conversions through WhatsApp. Click WhatsApp. So give it a minute, let it load. Good. So select page. So you have to select the page. So select the page that you want to use. So I've selected it. It's King Ezekiel. So scroll down to budget. Can you see budget? So now budget. Let me explain budget. The more you spend within a short period of time, the higher the possibility of getting a better result. So the least I use for my budget is 5,000, but for you can just use maybe 2.5 or something. But the least I use is 5,000. So this is daily budget. That's the amount that I to spend per day. That's the amount that I to spend per day. But if you are running to WhatsApp, because I'm used to running to websites. If you are running to WhatsApp, you can just use, let's say, 2.5 is okay. But I put 5,000. Can you see how many link clicks they said I'm going to get? 231 to 600 and what? You should be able to see it by the side. Just scroll to the side, swipe to the side rather. But if I change it to 1,000 naira, it will reduce drastically. So by the way, like I said, some people might not like this one. So if you don't want to do it on your Chrome browser, you can do it on your app. So can you see 46 to 134? So you can use 1,000 naira, you can use 2.5. But remember, the more you spend within a short period of time, the higher the possibility of getting a better result. So can you see start date? Click start date. Then you can set the start date. So you can set the start date. Can you see? You can choose any day that you want it to start. But if you don't want to set the start date, if you want to just run the ad, you want the ad to start running immediately at dawn. Don't set any start date, don't set any time. Just leave it. So scroll down. Now location. If you want to edit location, you will click on location. Can you see location? Can you see edit by the side? Then click edit. You will be able to edit it. By the way, the best way to actually do these things is to watch it over and over and over again. I will be able to. So remember, click location, then you see edit, click edit. You'll be able to edit it. Now, can you see Nigeria? So if you don't want to target the whole Nigeria, or you just want to target a specific city or a specific place in a particular city, all you can do is just click search location. Can you see search location? You click search location, then you search for the specific place you want to target. For example, if I want to target only Lagos, I will just type Lagos, click search location, then type Lagos. So what you do is that you type, Facebook will suggest, then you select. Remember, you type, Facebook will suggest, then you select. So can you see Lagos, Nigeria? Facebook has suggested it, then I will click that. Yes, that's what I want. So can you see Lagos? It has been added. Lagos. So we can just check our reach by the side here. and check our reach. Okay, still doing the count for us. So if you want to edit age to the same thing, okay, our reach is still 44 too. That's nice. Same thing, you click on it, you click edit. Now for detail targeting, you can't do detail targeting on or when you're running ads to WhatsApp. Facebook will optimize your ad based on the people that are following your page. So after that, click next. So click next. So just give it a minute, let it load. By the way, don't click it so much, just wait so you don't mistakenly click publish. Then zoom out. So let it load. Now, so on this ad, that's where you are going to put the primary text, which is just like caption for those who use Facebook and Instagram. So primary text is like caption of a post. And then you'll be able to put the picture or video you want to use. So can you see add creative? That's where we are going to straight. So on add creative, you just click add media. So if you want to use a video, that's good, but for this course I will not be using video because I can't wait for the video to upload. This particular video is already getting too long. So click add media, then click add image. So you can just click upload to upload the image. So Facebook will give you a chance to be able to select a particular image. By the way, it's one that you can select. Just so let's say this is the one. Then I click done. So just give it a minute, let it load. So by the way, it's only one, you just select one. So you give it a minute, let it load. I take it. Wow. So by the way, in primary text, that's where you add the text that will convince the users to purchase what you are selling. So you have to be convincing. You have to know how to convince your users to purchase what you are selling, which I explained in the advanced course. That's why I taught copywriting. Sorry, so it's about to load again. So that's why I taught copywriting in the advanced course, because you have to know how to be able to convince your users that you know what you are doing and you know what you are selling. That's the main reason why I keep selling my courses and I keep selling my products, because by God's grace, so it's not because someone is bragging. I was always able to convince the users that I know what I'm doing, and I'm always able to convince the users that these are the benefits of this particular thing that I'm selling, and these are the features too. So you add after okay, it's not good. So just give it a minute, let it load. Okay, it has loaded. Still loading rather. So in the headline, what you need to do is just add a catchy text, just short one. Like for this Dior bag now, I can just say brings out your best look, or bring out your best look, or unveil your best look. So sorry, you can just skip this part. I can't pause the video, it's only play and stop. That is it. So just give it a minute. Let it load. You can just skip this part. So for those who are using phone, you might not be able to be watching the video and be practicing, and if you can do that, that's actually great. But if you can't, just ensure that you watch the videos continually till you actually get it, then you go and practice it. Okay, I think it has frozen. Thank God it's back. So sorry for that. Click add media. Remember, click add media. Click image. Good. So we've already uploaded the image. So all we need to do is select it here. Oh boy, it didn't upload. So let's say it's uploaded. I can't even go to that again. So you just select it here. Selecting. Go to the, just scroll to the right a little bit. Just to it. Now, by the way, you might not be able to see that button by the right hand side, but I just want you to click this blue thing that just popped up by this side here. Click it. That just showed up a little bit by the side here. Good. So can you see it? Next. Then click next again. And click next again. Good. So our image is already there. Now can you see primary? This is where you are going to put your text. Then remember headline. I said you should use something catchy. So can you see our image is already there? By the way, don't worry about this error, this thing that is bringing. It's not an error, it's just an advice. So add the primary text, add the headline, then that is it. So you can publish. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to fund your account. Now publish that there is error. So if there is error in this place, you'll be able to see in draft, see setup error. Just wait for it. So make in draft before you scroll down to the bottom, then publish. So it is King Zeke. By the way, that's the way it's going to be hanging. That's the way it's going to be hanging. Thank you.